Boom boom Afridی. Look at the strike rate, close to 110 over 247 matches.
See, all the Pakistani fans, they'll be praying, oh please Shahid Afridی, play sensibly this time, because he has a habit of wielding his willow at every delivery.
Trying to play himself in, will pick up a single of the first ball. Oh, Ramiz Raja is relaxed,
so maybe he'll play the support role, Afridí.
Oh, he's gone for that sweep again. A sweep that brought his downfall in the 2020 final. A sweep that brought the downfall of Yunus Khan before him. And Misbah al-Haq falls for 49.
It amazes me that these guys attempt these shots when they hit so well down the ground. His strength is hitting through the line of the ball, and it's brought him undone again. It's gone for 49. It's 283 for 6.
Sohail Tanvir, batting all-rounder, replaces Misbah al-Haq. Has potential as a batsman, a hard-hitting batsman, tends to favour this square leg, long on areas. Should Akhtar is padded up. South Africans hold very straight and full at Tanvir. Oh, it's gone through. RP Singh tried the Yorker. He was looking for the Yorker again. And how controlled was that shot from Sohail Tanvir? To say there has to be the boundary in the over.
By percentage, I mean hitting fours along the ground.
Oh, that was close, but it should be one save because they've run free. Umpires might want to see it again. Rohit Sharma is on the field as a substitute fielder. He was very close to the line.
He's tried to get it over the boundary line. Afridí went for it. Oh, I'd say his fingers have touched. I reckon that's 4. Looks like his fingers touched. Yes, that's 4 runs. So he did get the boundary after all. It was a valiant attempt by Rohit Sharma, but signal 4, umpire.
He looked stunned. He looked stunned, but it looked for all money from the replay that there was a little grazed plastic boundary marker.
Give Afridí no room at all to swing.
That's gone. He's given him room. 2 boundaries and 2 balls. Pakistan can field it. 25 required from 15.
Just changed the line of fraction, didn't he? Just walked across to the offside bottom hand and whipped it over mid-wicket. Nobody there. Great strike.
But wasn't it just the right length for it, wasn't it?
But that's where his strength is.
Oh, brilliant, brilliant. How much dexterity was there in that? 300 comes up. 21 required from 14.
What an amazing shot. Look at him walking all over the place. He got it on the full, which was very handy. Amazing stroke. 13 from 4. Round the wicket now. Trying to change the angle here.
This is high. Someone's coming under it. Is it you, Raj? Doesn't keep hold of it. It was a great effort, but it's given Afridí a couple more.
It's running for Pakistan, isn't it? There's been 3 lofted strokes like this that have just dropped out of reach. Valiant attempt. If he'd taken that, would have been one of the great catches.
It's gone. It's gone all the way. Shahid Afridi. This could be his moment. He's the man that they were looking to bring this home. And he sits on the cusp of it. 8 required from 8 balls.
Just given that extra bit of room, extra bit of width, lets him free his arms, and the power of the man. It's gone over mid-off a long way for 6. What a great hit.
No third man. Where's that gone? It's gone in the gap. It's gone in the gap and it's raced away for 4. And the trip across the border was worth it for the Pakistani fans. What a cool hit for Sohail Tanvir.
But it's a full toss. Goodness gracious me. Obviously tried the Yorker first ball. That's a gift. And that's the game, I reckon.
Two's a call. Is Zaire Khan quick enough to stop it? Keeps it to 1. Scores are level. Just today, Shahid Afridi said he's been bowling well, but his batting is still his priority. 1 run required. It's gone through. Pakistan have won. It's a remarkable victory. They've won by 4 wickets with a ball to spare here at the PCA Stadium in Mohali.